Well, I was going to try and get into work, but I think it's a lost cause officially. Because that snow is all the way, probably 4 inches deep in the street, 4 or 5 inches all the way from where we're at, which is basically 33rd Street, all the way to 31st Street. So I don't think I'm getting out anytime soon, unfortunately. What has been funny though is looking way off in the distance. There's a major highway, and seeing little cars that are driving, and then every now and again you see them spin out, and then you see the wreckers come get them. That has been quite amusing this morning so far. The only thing that's really moving are big heavy trucks and anything with four-wheel drive, but small cars, you can just see them up there when they try to cross the bridge. They just spin out, and that's the end of them. But alright, well, back to shoveling, because might as well get out of the way before the next wave comes, because I guess we're supposed to get another one.